Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can split your videos into 3 frames on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to grab a video from here. I'm just going to, for instance, like this one. I'm going to make it like smaller a little bit. Like, actually I'll just do it with the mask. I'm just going to select mask, and I'll select the rectangle one first, and I'm just going to try to mask it here, and I'm just going to try to evenly as possible create this rectangle. Copy and paste that and move it to the left. Now as you can see, it's too wide, so I'm just going to go back here and I'm just going to fix it and making it a little bit more narrow. Copy and paste that, and let's put it here. This is good, but that is a little bit too narrow, so I'm just going to adjust it just a little bit like this. Copy and paste that, and I think that is perfect. So I'm just going to copy and paste that again, and I'm just going to place it to the right side of the video, and I've split it into 3 parts like so. You can also create this really cool transition. I'm going to select the one on the left first, go to adjustments, turn it down to -50, add a keyframe, and then throughout the whole way you're going to place it back to 0. And then on the middle one you're going to again place it at 0. I mean -50, sorry, I keep saying 0. And then a little bit towards here I'm going to place it down. Wait, I'm going to select the correct video and place it back to 0. And then I'm going to do it for this one again. -50. I actually remembered. And then like right about here, I'm going to place it at 0. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!